In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Hostinger website safely and easily. Backing up your site regularly protects you from accidental changes, updates gone wrong, or security issues. I'll walk you through the exact process in Hostinger so you can download a copy of your website and keep it stored securely. First, log into your Hostinger account and open the website section. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed. If you manage more than one, take a second to confirm the correct domain so you don't back up the wrong project. Next, click Dashboard for the website you want to back up. The dashboard is your control center for that specific site. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Backups and open it. This is the built-in tool Hostinger provides to generate and download your site's backups. You'll now choose what you want to download, the website, files, or the database. Website files are everything in your public files, like themes, images, and code. The database holds your dynamic content, such as posts, pages, and settings for platforms like WordPress. If your site runs on a content management system, it's best to download both, since you need files and database together to fully restore the site. You'll see a list of backup versions, typically labeled by date and time. Click Download next to the backup version you want. If you just want a current snapshot, choose the most recent one. If you're troubleshooting an issue, pick a backup from before the problem started. Hostinger will prepare the backup file. This can take a few minutes depending on your site's size. Keep the tab open and let the process finish. Once it's ready, your download will start, or you'll get a button to download the file. When your browser prompts you, save the backup to your computer. Make note of where it's going, like your downloads or a specific backups folder. The website files typically come as a compressed archive, and databases often download as SQL files. There's no need to extract anything right now. Just make sure the download completes successfully. Finally, keep the backup somewhere safe so you can restore it later if needed. Store a copy in at least 2 locations, like your computer and an external drive or a secure cloud folder. It's helpful to rename the file with the website name and date so it's easy to find later. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a Hostinger backup and secured a restore point for your website.